Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about Git Rebase, what is the command and how we can use it. I have seen a lot of developers, especially beginners, struggle in rebasing the branch, so just thought to create a video on it. So for the demonstration purpose, like here in the VS Code, I have this folder. Inside that folder I have one file, which is file1.txt, and inside that I have just written a simple hello world text. Now if I look into the log this branch, so you can see that I am on the master branch and I have just one commit. So once you are working in a big teams, you will be working a lot in different branches and all. So let's create a simple branch out of it. So I have created a branch which is called as branch 1 and checked out to that branch. Now what I will do is I will create a simple file here, another file which is file 2, and here I will write some text, and I will commit these changes. First of all, I will add that file, so git add and commit it. So my first commit on branch 1. So I have just put a random commit message here. So you can see that now you are working on another branch and this branch will keep on evolving, but in the meantime the master branch will also keep on evolving. Other developers will do some contributions, those contributions will keep on merging into the master. So what I will quickly do is I will just check out to the master branch and just create a simple second commit here as well. So I'll duplicate that line and say hello world 3 and just simply commit it. So you can see that if I just log this branch here, you can see that we have two commits. One is the second commit on master, another one is the initial commit. Now with what if I want to rebase my branch 1 with the master branch? So I will just simply go to the branch which I just created, which was branch 1, and you can see that we still have that initial commit and my first commit to the master branch. Now if I will rebase, what it will do is instead of initial commit, it will base my branch 1 to the newest commit on the master branch. So git rebase master. So what it will do is if I just log this branch again, you can see that my first commit on branch 1 and then it has second commit on master. So my this branch, which is branch 1, is now rebased to the latest master branch. So if I explain you visually what just happened is, if you look into this diagram, so earlier I was on commit m3, which in our repo it was initial commit, and I created a branch out of it which was branch 1. I made some commits there, and in the meantime the master branch also got evolved. It was having more commits. So once I ran that command git rebase, what it did was it just rebased my branch 1 with the latest commit on the master. So this is the Medium article which I wrote few years back, so I will link it down in the description below. You can have a look at it. So this, by seeing this diagram, you can easily understand what's going on. There is one more command which does the same work, which is git with hyphen rebase. On the pull command you can also achieve the same functionality, so this thing also works. So hope you understand what rebase is and how we use it. So if you like this video, please hit a like button and do consider subscribing for more such content, and I will catch you up in the next video.